Hello and welcome back to another video. So if you would like to know how I made this delicious chicken and shrimp chow mein noodle dish, please make sure you stay tuned and watch, and also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share my channel. So let's get started. So you are going to start off by adding a little oil down in your pan and place the shrimp and the chicken down. The chicken that I am using is chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast if you prefer. And you are going to allow this to cook for, I would say, 3 to 5 minutes until it is completely done. So it's about done, and what I am going to do, I'm going to place it aside in a bowl so I can get started on my business. And before I do that, I am using the real Guyana fast cook chow mein noodles. You would make these noodles the same you would if you was cooking spaghetti noodles. Just cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure you don't cook them too long. So I am going to also start off with a clean cooking bowl and place a little bit of oil down and add my green onions, red peppers, and green peppers down. And you want that to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until softened. Once it's about 1 to 2 minutes, then you are going to get your cabbage that you have chopped up and pour that into the peppers. And once you add the cabbage, you're going to just give it a good toss it and stir fry it for about 3 to 5 minutes before adding any water to it. So after that, I'm going to add about a half a cup of water just to steam the cabbage. Now you can add more water. I don't like my cabbage cooked that long. I still like a crunch. So you're going to add just enough to your own liking. So this is about what I'm looking for. I still have that crunch. So it cooked for a good about 5 to 10 minutes. So now I'm adding the noodles. And now I'm going to add my chicken and shrimp. And now I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce. I also added some carob syrup I get from the Caribbean store. I will leave the name of the sauce that I use down in the description below. So once I added that, I also added some oyster sauce. And once you have all of your sauces in, and I also added just a pinch of sesame oil. And so once you do all that, you're going to give it a good toss. Continue to toss it while it's completely coated to your own liking. You can add more if you choose so, but just make sure you continue to toss it up to your own liking. So, and once it's done, it's time to serve it up as always. So this is the finishing dish. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe like always. And you guys, you have a blessed one. I hope you enjoyed this dish, and I hope everyone has had a happy new year so far. Thank you so much for liking. I thank all my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Until next time, you have a blessed one.